Presley Records. So hi, today my mum is going to be cooking tomato soup. So I bought the chicken drumsticks. We're going to be using the Bulla thick cream. We're going to be using the Leggo's tomato paste, the penne rigat pasta. I'm going to use the white wings premium flour and some carrots. So I'll be back soon. I'm going to go cut up the carrot and put the pasta to boil, and I'll be back soon. Thank you. So I've peeled the carrot and my mum is just going to cut them in half. Alright, so we're going to be cutting up the carrots. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. I'll do it. Why? And just put them in there, and then we'll just chuck everything all together. All together? Yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect, just so like the... See? That's going to be hurt. Yeah. And I go cool. Huh? That's a sharp knife, isn't it? Oh, Mom, that's going to hurt my finger. Yeah. That's going to hurt. Or that hurt like that. Yeah. What's that called? What is that? Carrot. Yeah. So we just cut them up. Yeah. It just depends how much carrots you want, but I like to have lots because I like to eat my carrots. I don't like carrots. You don't like carrots? But you will when it's in the soup. Not yummy. Put some water in. Put some water. Put the carrots in. I don't like carrots. Now we're going to put our drumsticks. Yuck. Carrot yuck. A carrot yuck. Just give them a rinse. Perfect. Before we put them in. And then we just transfer them in here. So we're making a tomato soup. So we're just going to let this cook for about 25-30 minutes, and then I'll be back. So it's cooking away. Just gave it a bit of a stir and just to check, but should be nearly ready. I reckon another 15 minutes I'll be back. So we're going to put some salt in. So one tablespoon. Give it a mix. And then, yep. And I'm going to put some pasta, and we're going to put the pasta in. Weź musia makaron. Zuch. Oh, yep. So Mum's going to put some salt in first. So just on average. Ile musia? Tak, 1 tablespoon? Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Just give it a mix. On the table. There we go. And so teraz musia, just... Yep, a to? Yep, so Mum's going to take that off now. But for me? So Mum's taking out the drumsticks. What? For me? Yes. But are you cooking with Papa Chop? No, it's very hot. Wow, that hurts. Yeah. Don't touch. And we're going to put some bit more water in to make it a bit more fuller. So 2 cups of water. And we're going to put in the tomato paste. Okay, so we're going to put in the tomato paste. Ile? So, just give it a mix.
Garny skreć zrobisz. Jeszcze jedno, bo to musi być dobry smak.
Yeah.
To niech zagotuje się.
Ile?
15 minut.
So we'll just let it cook for another 15 minutes and I'll be back. Right, so some robimy sos taki, nie?
Nie wiem, przez taką mąkę z wodą do zupy przysmażyć, żeby taka gęsta
Yeah,
była.
so we're going to put some flour and water to make the soup a bit more thicker.
Dobrze mix zrobić.
Hang on. Give it a good stir in the mix. Okay. And then we're going to shift it. So obviously we're going to put everything in. Just to make the soup a little bit like more thicker so it's not so watery. And to sobie trochę gotować, yeah, Mum? We just let it cook for maybe another 10 minutes. Yep, and we'll put some pepper. Just a little bit. Not so it's not too hot and spicy. Yeah, and we'll get some cream. I'll go and get the cream. Yeah, just the cream. We're going to put some cream in. Here, Mum. We'll put that thick cream in, the bulla. Pasta's nearly finished. Is it good, Mum?
Very good.
That's good. And ile kremu zawsze dawać? Just just always just a little, just maybe 2-3 tablespoons to make it to give a little bit of a color. And then at the end we put some how you say it in Polish it's natka. It's like those little green like basil leaves or something, just to give it a bit of a taste. But yeah, otherwise it's all done. And then at the end you just eat it with some pasta. So I'll be back and I'll show you when it's all done. So I've decided to cut up the meat and put it in, but it's up to you. The meat, it just gives it a taste, but it's good like if the kids want some meat with it. So yeah. And then here's the pasta all done, and the soup is ready. So thanks for watching. Mamusha, Mum, good job, Mum.